Hello, this is powerful, and it's for you. Before you scroll away, please listen to these hidden secrets about your health nobody is telling.
Yeah, where are people that are having liver and kidneys issue? Just draw your table nearer. Pawpaw is one of the commonest fruit we have, but it does a lot. It has a lot of nutrients. It has vitamin C. It has a lot of fiber. It has a lot of things that will nourish the body. So anybody that is having liver or kidney issues, and every blessed day, just count like 8 of this you chew, okay, or you eat it with the pawpaw. That's still okay. The way we do eat watermelon, we don't remove the seeds anymore because the seeds are loaded with nutrients, magnesium, vitamins, and all that. The same thing with pawpaw. So make sure that you inculcate pawpaw in one of the fruits you eat as a family. It does a lot. But if you are a pregnant woman, don't try this. Don't eat the seeds. You remove the seeds before the pawpaw. If you are also breastfeeding, don't eat the seeds because it might make the child to start, should I say, running stomach or anything. So this is very good. Papaya is very, very good. Okay, so try the seeds. Some of you that are having liver or kidney issues, then you feed me back. Then if you're not having any of these things, you've just decided to be using it. It tones the skin. It makes our skin to glow. Pawpaw is very good for skin. Yes, very, very good for skin. So that is it for today. Stop removing, except if you are giving to the children. You have seen the one I removed. If you cannot chew it like this, I eat mine in different ways. I tried this organically. Don't put under the sun. Look for where it will dry naturally. Then you crush, blend it with your blender, and it becomes a powder form. So you can be putting it in food where you are eating, okay? So it's either you use it for your smoothie, put in yogurt, put it in the rice. People, please, let's go back organic. Go back organic so that we love your body. Eat well and live healthy. Thank you so much.
Watching. This was just a sample. We have much more to share with you. Please check out our channel, subscribe, and enjoy our weekly uploads featuring different natural health tips, home remedies, and healthy living advice for you and your family. Stay healthy, stay informed, and see you in the next video.